Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make corn soup with canned corn. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and comforting meal. You'll need just a few basic ingredients like 2 cans of corn, about 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, and half a cup of heavy cream. Don't forget an onion, some garlic, a bit of butter, and your favorite seasonings to bring out all the wonderful flavors. It's surprisingly easy. First, let's get our ingredients ready. Drain 1 can of corn, but keep the liquid from the second can. We'll use that later for extra flavor. Next, finely chop 1 small onion and 2 cloves of garlic. These aromatics are key to a rich base. Now, melt about 2 tablespoons of butter in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. This sets the stage for sautéing our vegetables. Once your butter is melted, add the chopped onion and garlic to the pot. Sauté them gently until they become soft and fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, pour in both cans of corn, including the undrained one, along with your 4 cups of broth and the half cup of heavy cream. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 10 minutes. For a creamy texture, blend about half of the soup using an immersion blender or carefully in batches. Finally, taste your delicious corn soup and adjust the seasonings. Add salt, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of sugar to enhance the corn's natural sweetness. Serve it warm, perhaps garnished with some fresh chives or parsley for a pop of color and extra flavor. This soup is wonderful on its own or paired with some crusty bread. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, comforting corn soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.